What's the cost of an electrical failure? Downtime, lost revenue, and serious safety risk. OSHA requires a safe workplace. NFPA 70B sets the standard for maintaining electrical equipment, and NFPA 70E protects workers from electrical hazards such as arc flash and arc blast incidents. Together, they keep your business compliant, reliable, and safe. Let us help you build a program that reduces your risk, extends your equipment life, and most importantly, keeps your team safe while your business runs smoothly. We're excited to have Kylie Taylor with us on November 10th for a one-day NFPA 70E training class. This is a valuable class for safety managers, electricians, maintenance personnel, and anyone else working around electrical equipment. Seats are limited, so please register by November 3rd. To learn more and to register, please visit our website.